Now I'm Squidward.
It's fine now. Yeah, you can go in.
No?
Oh, that sounds so...
What's up, you guys? Cecilia Farrow here, and today we're gonna make some slime.
Is it in focus?
Yeah, wait. Yeah, you're golden.
First things you are going to need is a bowl and some borax, which I have right here. So you're going to want to fill up the bowl with a little bit of warm water. Just wait for that to get warm. You need actually like a whole cup of this. But I'm just gonna estimate. Do about that much.
How do you focus?
Focus. That.
Oh, this.
Okay, so this, a little bit of warm water. I would say there's about a quarter cup in there. And make sure you're somewhere that you don't mind getting dirty. This stuff's a bit messy. I'm gonna do a pinch of this. Mix it. Okay, so that's done.
Now I am.
Now you're going to need some glue. This is Elmer's. And I'm going to pour it into the water mixture we just made. I feel like this is too much activator, so I'll use slime fans out there. This might be off the ratios. Okay. We're gonna hope for the best. Okay, so you need to stir it with something. I'm gonna use this Sharpie. See those bubbles? So basically, we've made slime. So basically, this is how you make slime.
Taste test?
Yeah. You really thought I was gonna eat it? Never judge a book by its cover. Wait, what does that challenge like? Did you really think I was gonna shave my eyebrow off?
Did you really think I was gonna cut my bangs?
Okay, so I think we didn't do this right.
Slime making gone wrong.
If you guys have a fat fetish, is this hot?
For all you slime fetish fanatics.
For all you slime fetish. Yep. Yep. Almost.
It's like a smut film.
So this was a fun craft. Very easy, really fun, really tasty. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm awesome. You're watching Casey Can't Act. Looks like me. Looks just like me. It's a picture of me when I was young.
Slime B-roll, take 1. So, Cease, what inspired you to make slime?
I think it's a tasty treat. And it's really fun to play with too. It's awesome. You can't really do this with many things. It's kind of a unique.
Make like a slime pinot, or like a slime nose.
Oh, okay. It's like, oh, this hurts my eyes. Why does Wait, let me just see what this looks like.
Something like I've wanted to get a nose job my entire life, and I finally this platform is finally allowing me to like reacting to my
rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty gone wrong.
Let me go over here. No,
Oh.
you look like Bane. It's like this looks like a Jim Crow.
What was I gonna say? The thumbnail should just be this, like, in a picture of like Bane next to me or Squid.
Like a bunch of circles and arrows.